Hello guys,
Wait.
we're in Animal Rivals. This is my first time playing it, and it's also JXN Vid's first time. I'm also a bit...
Yep.
I don't really know how to use
Hold
the
up,
camera, but I'll figure it out. I believe I'm in first person, if I take this out. Yeah, I am, okay. So, today we're just going to be dueling, and yeah. You ready?
Yep, let me start my recording. Wait, hold up.
Bruh.
Hello, I am with the extra.
Yo, I'm back. We're in Animal Rivals.
Well, my new game, and his new game.
Yeah, first time
Animal
playing.
Rivals.
My hands are so big.
And I've got a pistol.
I've got Scar H.
And also, hello. I
Hi.
have a camera set up over there, so you can see me in real life.
Cool! I don't have that.
Yes. Okay, first person.
Let's go. You didn't put it on your chest, I don't think. Okay.
Big bro.
We don't have our guns.
Put his hands.
Okay. One person. Okay, I'm gonna go in blue, you go in red.
My hands are so big. Oh, okay.
Go in red. I've done this before. I went in here earlier. Start game. Press start game. Oh, you don't need to. Okay. We have to choose a map. We have to choose a map.
What the hell is?
We have to choose a map.
There's a barrier.
Yeah, I know, because we have to choose our map. Wait, do the one in the top left. No, because I'm pretty sure that's a good practice map.
Oh.
Yeah. I'm about to cook you. Alright, guys, let's get him.
Match starting.
Can't go. I can't get through here.
Round starting.
There. Okay. I'm gonna get this goofy goo boy. He's not like good at gorilla tag, so I can just cook him.
Now I'm out of ammo.
Oh crap.
Give me that one.
Yeah! Wait, what?
Yo, we traded.
We did a trade kill, we've both got 1 point.
Round starting.
What? How did they...
Yes! Yeah, I'm the GOAT already.
Round starting.
Let's go for far range. Hit once. Oh.
Oh, headshot.
Yes, again! I'm so good at this game.
That is too good.
Guys, this is my first time playing.
Round starting.
I'm just gonna go in range. I'm cooking. Yes!
What?
I was peeking around the corner like this.
I couldn't even see you.
I was like that.
I couldn't even.
Oh my god, I'm at match point. Guys, I'm
Round
cooking.
started.
Okay, what is this guy?
Oh, my aim is horrid.
What the?
Why am I good? Wait, let's rematch. Let's rematch. I'm the winner. Wait, do rematch. Let's rematch. Let's rematch. Yo. Alright. That's going to be the end of today's video. We'll be back in the next one. Subscribe or I'm going to shoot you.